Have you ever seen a sloth? They're like living stuffed animals that move super slowly. But why do they move like they're in slow motion? Let's find out. Imagine if you had to hang upside down from monkey bars all day long. That's what sloths do in trees. Their bodies are special, like upside-down superheroes. They have long, curved claws that work like hooks to hold onto branches. These claws are so strong that sloths can even sleep while hanging. Now, think about how you feel after eating a big meal. You probably want to sit still and rest, right? Well, sloths feel like that all the time. Their tummies are like slow cookers. The leaves they eat take a long time to turn into energy, so they don't have much power to move fast. Sloths are also masters of hide and seek. Moving slowly helps them stay hidden from animals that might want to eat them. It's like playing freeze tag, but all the time. Their fur even grows special green algae that makes them look like leaves. Talk about a great disguise. Did you know that sloths are so slow that tiny bugs called moths like to live in their fur? It's like having a whole city of teeny friends living on you. These moths help keep sloths clean and healthy. Sloths don't need to rush around like we do. They're happy just hanging out in their trees. They only come down once a week to go potty. Imagine only using the bathroom once every 7 days. Their slow life means they don't need much food. They eat leaves that other animals can't digest. It's like having a superpower that lets them eat yucky vegetables and turn them into energy. Sloths are also great swimmers. When they're in water, they can move 3 times faster than on land. It's like they become sloth speedboats. So next time you see a sloth, remember, they're not lazy, they're just living life in slow motion. Their slowness is their secret weapon for surviving in the jungle. Pretty cool, huh?